Good morning, everyone. Welcome back from Thanksgiving break. I hope you all had lots of yummy food and enjoyed your time with your families. So we're going to go ahead and get started and figure out what day it is today. So does anyone remember the last day of school that we had? Yeah, it was Monday, which was quite a while ago now. So we have to go through all of the days to get back to today again. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and back to Monday. So today is Monday again because we had that Thanksgiving break. All right, who remembers the name of the month? Yes, it is just barely still November. All right, let's go ahead and count those turkey numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. What comes next? 24. Let's see here. Brown, yellow, orange. Brown, yellow, orange. Yes, so we have an orange turkey with a 24, and we need to keep going. That was last week. 22, 23, 24, 25. Let's see here. Brown, yellow, orange, brown. So a 25 on a brown turkey, and we need to keep going. 23, 24, 25. What comes next? 26. Brown, yellow, orange, brown, yellow. Yes, a 26 on a yellow turkey, and we still need to keep going. 24, 25, 26, 27. Brown, yellow, orange, brown, yellow, orange. All right, so a 27 on an orange turkey, and we still need to keep going. 25, 26, 27, 28. Brown, yellow, orange, brown. All right, a 28 on a brown turkey, and we still need to keep going. 26, 27, 28, 29. Brown, yellow, orange, brown, yellow. A 29 on a yellow turkey, and we have one more to go. This one's a little bit tricky because we're switching to a different set of 10s. 26, 27, 28, 29. And does anyone know? 30. Let's see. Brown, yellow, orange, brown, yellow, orange. So we have a 30 on an orange turkey, and that is today. And it is also, look at this, forgot to show you, empty. This is our last day of November. So that means the next time we have school, it will be a different month. And I wonder who can figure out what month it'll be next. Try to figure it out before next time. So let's say the date. Today is Monday, November 30th. All right, good job. So now we're going to do the weather. So you need to look out your window and see if it is snowy or cloudy or windy or rainy or partly cloudy or sunny or stormy or foggy. And remember, it can be more than one of those things. All right, now you got to step out the door and feel what the temperature is outside, how it feels. So does it feel hot? Does it feel cold? Does it feel warm? Or does it feel cool? All right, so figure out the weather at your house and the temperature. Okay, so this week we are going to start talking about winter holidays, or mostly holidays that are mostly in December, which is the month coming up. Oops, I just told you what month is coming up. Wasn't supposed to do that. But we will be talking about holidays that happen mostly in December. And the first one we're going to be talking about is Hanukkah. So Hanukkah is celebrated by the Jewish people. And it is called Hanukkah. It's the Festival of Lights. And each night of Hanukkah, you'll see over here, this is called a menorah. And each night of Hanukkah, one of these candles gets lit. All right? There are 8 nights in Hanukkah. Now, if you want to learn more about Hanukkah, I included in the email that I sent out about a week and a half ago to your parents some links and some YouTube links, and one of them is a Sesame Street video that teaches you all about Hanukkah and the story behind Hanukkah. And then there are a couple other links too, I think some songs or and how to play the dreidel game and stuff like that. Okay, so check out those links if you want to find out more about Hanukkah. And I have a book today about Hanukkah. Let's find out what it is in my mystery envelope. Oh, it's looking kind of like a winter book, doesn't it? It looks like it's a book about winter, but it is called, Is It Hanukkah Yet? So let's find out what the signs are that Hanukkah is coming. Now remember, some of these things might not be exactly what happens because it talks a lot about the weather, and sometimes weather is different one year from the next. When frosty winds blow and snows all around. And there's no sign of green on the trees or the ground. Hanukkah is on its way. So it's kind of getting at that Hanukkah is during what we would normally think of as the winter time. When all forest creatures search for a den, when they'll snuggle and sleep till spring blossoms again, Hanukkah is on its way. So some animals are getting ready to sleep for the winter, to hibernate, right? Or to adapt. When we're all bundled up from our head to our toes. In layers and layers of warm winter clothes, Hanukkah is on its way. When glitter and paper are spread on the floor, and we hang decorations on windows and doors, Hanukkah is on its way. And you see they have some menorahs there like we have over here. When cousins come over to stir, fry, and bake, the applesauce, latkes, and cookies we'll make. So latkes are potato pancakes and they're really yummy. Hanukkah is on its way. When we count colored candles we'll use for the lights to fill our menorah on 8 special nights, Hanukkah is on its way. When the blessings are said and the first candles glow, see, they're lighting the first candle there. And we're singing sweet holiday songs we all know. When we're spinning our dreidels with family and friends. And this is something I sent in your packet, is a dreidel to make, and I'll be showing you that on another day, not today. And hoping this wonderful time never ends. Hanukkah is here. All right, so I just wanted to show you really quick, and we'll probably do this with the book we read next time. But for each night of Hanukkah, one candle is lit, plus the middle one. The middle one right here is called the shamash. Okay, let me see. Is the cord long enough that I can pull it over here? Oh, it is. Look at that. All right, cool. I can pull it over here. So this is the middle candle. It's called the shamash. The shamash is the helper candle, and it is used to light all the other candles. So if you had a real menorah with real candles in it that you light, you would first light this middle candle called the shamash, and then that one would be used to light the other one. So mine is, see how it has a cord? Mine is an electric menorah because I really can't light candles at school. So this is an electric menorah, and I'm going to kind of show you how it works. So the first night, there's the first night of Hanukkah, second night of Hanukkah, and you see we're going from left to right instead of right to left. So we usually do things from right to left, but for Hanukkah it's left to right. Third night of Hanukkah, fourth night of Hanukkah, fifth night of Hanukkah, sixth night of Hanukkah, seventh night of Hanukkah, and eighth night of Hanukkah. And then I'm going to turn them all off. All right, so I think with the next book we read next time, we will kind of light them as we go. I think it'll work well for that. All right, so let me show you what I have for you today in your packet. So, as always, we have a new self-portrait. It says, "This is me in December." And you've grown again, haven't you? You've gotten bigger. So you need to draw a picture of me so that I know what you look like now. All right, so draw this. Don't forget to bring it to me so I can save it at preschool. We also have a new reading log. Remember, you put your name up here, and each time you read a book, you're going to color in one of these gingerbread people. And remind your mom and dad to make extra copies because you'll need more than one of these in the month. Now, usually in our first week, I would have our new December calendar, because December is going to start our next school day, and I know I wasn't going to tell you that, but I am. But this month, because of Thanksgiving and when I'm able to print out the December calendar online, because it's somebody else that makes the calendars, not me, I wasn't able to include it in this week's packet. So your December calendar will be in the next packet after I'm able to actually print it. Okay? So we have the self-portrait and the new reading log. That goes there. And I have one more thing to show you. So we are going to make, remember we talked about the menorah and that's lit every night of Hanukkah? I gave you in your packet a paper menorah and some strips of blue paper. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to tear your paper. Remember how we did paper tearing in the fall for our fall tree? And I think for that fall counting book we did tearing paper. So we're tearing the blue paper, and I'm not going to do the whole thing. Okay, I'm just going to show you a little bit of it. And then, so we're going to make a torn paper menorah. Okay, so you're going to put glue, just a little bit of glue at a time, on your menorah, and then you're going to stick down the pieces of blue paper on it. Okay, and I'm just going to do part of it, but I want you to do the whole thing. Okay. I'm just going to show you an example of how to do it here. See, I'm putting one of each. I'm going to want to do down here too, aren't I? The stand. All right, so I'm going to cover up my menorah in the lines, right, with the torn paper pieces. All right, then if you want, you can use markers or crayons, or see, I have dot markers. If you have dot markers, you can use those too. And you can light your menorah. So you could just go ahead and light it all at once, or you could look up the dates, the official dates of Hanukkah online, and you could light one candle each day like Jewish families would. Or maybe you already celebrate Hanukkah, and you could light one candle. Oopsie, going the wrong way. It's left to right. or excuse me, right to left. I think I've been saying it wrong. So you're going to go right to left. So the first night of Hanukkah, the second night of Hanukkah, the third night of Hanukkah, the fourth night of Hanukkah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I just realized something, you guys. I messed up. This one doesn't have the right number of candles on it. Oh, you guys, I'm really sorry. I thought I had found one with the right number. This one doesn't have the right number. So I will get a new one and I will find a better one that works. I can't believe I didn't notice that. I thought I had it all right. Anyways, this has the wrong number. This is not a menorah. I'm sorry. Miss Mika messed up. So I will find one that has the right number and I'll put it in your packet for the next time. All right. Or you can go online. There's lots of these. I just must have clicked on the wrong one and got the wrong one. So I'm really sorry about that, you guys. It doesn't have the right number. So I will fix that and send you home a new one for the next packet pickup. Okay. The problem was I couldn't find my original one that I usually use. I had to find a new one. And I must have clicked on the wrong one. So sorry about that. I will get you a new one. All right. And we'll fix that issue. All right. So I hope you have a great day. And I will see some of you today at small group time at 10:30. And others I will see on Wednesday for small group time. All right. Bye, everyone.